Hi friends, I'm very happy to introduce one of the best mathematical learning item in class 7. We call it tangram. Tangram consists of 7 geometrical shapes, which is a very famous Chinese puzzle. And the task is to make different objects, different shapes with the help of all the 7 puzzle pieces. You are not allowed to use any piece from outside, and you are not allowed to avoid any of these 7 pieces. Now you can see we made a shape, a human shape with these 7 pieces. Now the challenge is how to make a square, exact square with all these 7 pieces. Make it try. Here goes the rectangle, here is a triangle, here is another triangle, little triangle. I keep a parallelogram here, and finally I fix the triangle. It is not an easy task with all the 7 pieces. It may take a little more time when you try, but it's a great fun playing with all the 7 pieces. Not only a square or a human shape, you can make thousands of shapes with the help of these wonderful 7 geometrical shapes, and we call it a tangram, which is a Chinese puzzle which has been in use for more than 400 years. And what is the relevance of this tangram in maths learning? Because as you see, all of these 7 tangram pieces are mathematical shapes. You can see this is a right triangle. These 2 sides are equal, hence it is an isosceles right triangle. And there is one more isosceles right triangle of the same size and same shape, and we call these are 2 isosceles right triangles. And as you see, this is a wonderful shape. This is a square. Here there are 2 more isosceles equivalent right triangles, and here is a parallelogram. Here there is another right triangle which is also isosceles. So when you play with this tangram, actually you are playing with geometry. In the time when you play with these puzzle pieces, you learn geometry very well, knowingly or unknowingly. So enjoy. And this is, as I said, just one of the different magical mathematical learning aids in class 7.
Alpha2Omega.
ISRT Alpha2Omega Mathematics Lab Kits. Ini കണക്കിന് 100-ൽ 100.